Hi everyone, welcome to video online class. Myself Kavita. Dear students, in the previous class we studied about geography second chapter. No? So guys, today we are going to study another interesting chapter from geography. So in the previous class I have told Indian physiography is not equal distributed across the country because some factors influence on Indian physiography. The factors are the climate, the natural vegetation, the water bodies and etc. I used the word climate. What is climate? So guys, let's start our geography third chapter, Indian climate. So dear student, from this lesson totally 3 marks can be asked for annual examination, 1 plus 2 marks. 1 marks either questions nor locations and 2 marks question. Totally 3 marks can be asked from this lesson. So guys, now what is climate? The meaning of climate. What is climate? This is 1 marks question. The climate, it means some total area of weather condition and the variation over a large area for a long term is called climate. So climate, it is not limited area. It is not limited condition. It's a continuous large area, that is called climate. So India has tropical monsoon type of a climate because here 23.5 the Tropic of Cancer, it passes on the middle of the country. As a result, South India has the tropical region and North India has subtropical region. The Indian climate is completely influenced on monsoon. So what is monsoon? This is 1 marks question guys. So Indian climate is completely influenced on monsoon. The monsoon meaning, the monsoon word is derived from an Arabic word. It's derived from an Arabic word. It means mausim. Mausim means what? Season. Is called monsoon. Again once I am repeating here, the monsoon. The meaning of monsoon means the monsoon word is derived from an Arabic word mausim. It means season. So Indian climate is not equal distributed across the country because some factors influence on Indian climate. So in 9th standard I had told while I was teaching Karnataka climate, because just for example here North Karnataka has highest it has recorded highest temperature in the summer season. During of summer season, the least temperature recorded in the South Karnataka. So it means climate is not equal distributed across the country because some factors influence on Indian climate. The factors are, this is 2 marks question guys, in 2018 and 19 annual 2 marks question asked from this lesson. The questions like, why does the Indian climate it changes from one region to another region? Because some factors influence on Indian climate. The factors are the locations, water bodies, latitude, ocean and away from sea. These are the factors influence on Indian climate. As a result, Indian climate it changes from one region to another region. The Indian climate can be divided 4 seasons. The seasons are, this is 2 marks question guys. Questions like, name the climate seasons of India. The Indian climates can be divided into 4 parts. They are the winter season, the summer season, the rainy season and 4th one, the retreating monsoon season. The winter season from December to February, the summer season from March to May and the rainy season from June to mid-September and the last 4th one, the retreating season mid-September to November. Let's start the first season of India, that is the winter season. The duration period from December to February. During this season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the southern hemisphere. As a result, humidity and temperature are very low in India. But it is very cold in the North India and warm in the South India. And especially in the North India, Two states have recorded the lowest temperature in India during of winter season. The states are the Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Especially in Kashmir, Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature in India with a -4 degrees Celsius. This is 1 marks question. So, Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature in India. During this season, India get 2% of annual rainfall. So, guys, this is about winter season. So, guys, second one season of India, that is the summer season, the duration period from March to May. During the summer season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. During the summer season, the rays of the sun vertically over the northern hemisphere, as a result, and humidity, temperature were highest recorded in India. It means the very hot area and dry area. In India, especially Ganganagar in Rajasthan has recorded the highest temperature in India with 49.4 degrees Celsius. Which place has recorded highest temperature? That is Ganganagar in Rajasthan has recorded the highest temperature in India. During the summer season, India gets 10% of annual rainfall. Some states receiving annual rainfall, they are calling different names. For example, Adis in the Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi in the West Bengal, and mango showers in the Kerala state because it is to cultivation mango crop, and in Karnataka we are calling coffee blossom because it is to plantation coffee. So, this is about summer season. Guys, again I am repeating here because totally 3 marks questions can be asked for annual examination, 1 marks question and 2 marks question. So, here the meaning of monsoon is 1 marks question, is very important, and these points are very important because once already asked from this lesson the question like why does the Indian climate changes from one region to another region, and next one, and these 4 seasons are very important, this is 2 marks question. And next one, the Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature in India, so this is also 1 marks question. And next one, Ganganagar has recorded the highest temperature in India, so this is also 1 marks question. These are the very important topics we learned today classes, and remaining topic we will discuss in the next period. Thank you and have a great day.